Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by validating prerequisites and taking the first actions immediately. Check Android version and update Discord. Outdated builds often block push tokens. Once done, remove Discord from battery optimization or adaptive battery lists so the OS won't suspend it. Make sure app-level notifications are enabled inside Discord settings and toggle the master switch off and on to force a refresh. This combination primes the app and system to negotiate delivery, so you get to the actual fixes next. Now proceed through the more complex middle steps that resolve token and permission conflicts. Clear Discord's cache and, if needed, data to reset stored tokens, then sign back in so a fresh push token registers with Discord servers. Next, inspect server and channel overrides, muted channels or custom schedules block alerts. Also confirm Google Play Services is up to date and background data is permitted. Push relies on it. Once these checks pass, move to system-level notification channels and finalization. Finish by resetting the final pieces that usually restore notifications. Open Android app notification channels for Discord and reset each channel to default. Ensure sound, importance, and lock screen visibility are correct. If issues persist, reinstall Discord to force a new registration with push services, but back up any local settings first. Finally, if notifications still fail, test on another network or device to determine whether the problem is your phone, carrier, or Discord. This one diagnostic step narrows down the remaining fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.